little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's session is filled with playful movements and gentle breaths to help you feel calm and strong. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Keep your back straight and hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Let's do this 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Continue slowly until all 5 breaths are done. Lie on your belly and place your elbows under your shoulders. Lift your chest and look forward. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold this position and take 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift your chest up. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stay here for 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale, gently relax. Lift your hips up into an upside-down V shape. Press your heels toward the ground. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold and take 5 deep breaths. Keep breathing slowly. Bend forward and let your arms hang down. Relax your neck completely. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stay here for 3 slow breaths. Bend forward and let your arms hang down. Relax your neck completely. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stay here for 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale. Relax more each time. Bring feet together and hold them. Gently move your knees up and down. Let's flap like butterfly wings 10 times slowly. Now stay still and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Bring one leg forward and stretch the other back. Keep your body relaxed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold for 5 slow breaths. Then switch sides. Hold your body straight like a line. Engage your core and stay strong. Take normal breaths and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep breathing steady the whole time. Turn to one side and lift your arm up. Keep your body straight. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds while breathing normally. Then switch sides and repeat. Kneel and gently lean back, opening your chest. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold for 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale. Gently come back up. Lie on your back and drop one knee across your body. Keep your shoulders on the ground. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. Lie down and relax your whole body. Close your eyes and breathe naturally. Stay here for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Slow inhale, slow exhale. Just relax. Fantastic job, little yogis! You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.